All right, let me my screen again. All right. Oop. Let's see here. All right, pretty good. Can you see my screen? I think so, right? All right. All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about something that I use in my trading. One that is, it's called the opening print, the opening price. Dick uses it a lot in his lives if you've seen him. Um, so basically, this is the opening print, like during it opens in Asia. So you can see this blue line right here. This is the opening print. And you can see it acts as a key level during Asia, London, even New York. As you can see right here, we opened. This is in, if you want to follow along in your own charting, it's on Thursday, September 26th. So basically, we opened, right? And then we went up, then came down, right? It looks like we almost bounced at this opening print, but then we came down, came back up, hit it again, came back down, and then we came back down all the way, and then came eventually back up to opening print. That was like at 10. So since 3 o'clock Pacific, right? It hit like 1, 2, almost here, 3, 4, 5. They hit 5 times, right? But I think it uses the opening print, Globix opening print. Um, so I use it too sometimes, but lately I've been using a different opening print. But I always used it, but I stopped using it for a little bit. But I came back to it, and that's what I've been using since September, I believe. So I'm going to show you guys some of those examples how I used opening print in my trading and the trades I took this week. So if you go this week, we're going to go to Monday, right? So here's the opening print Monday. As you know, NQ had no news on Monday, so it was pretty choppy. This is what you guys were trading. I stayed off from trading on Monday in the morning. So this is basically what you guys were trading. If you're not sizing correctly, you probably blew your account or took a big loss. That was pretty bad. So the way I use the opening print myself, we're gonna go to RTH, which is regular trading hours. I use the opening print from New York. Let's see. So right here. So this is the opening print from New York. And then as you can see, it opened at $20,137, right? So I stayed away from it in the morning because I knew it was going to be choppy because of no news. But I came back in the PM session. And the way I use the opening print is basically if it's above the opening print, I'm usually like bullish. And if it's below the opening print, I am bearish most of the time. So if I'm bearish, what I want to look for is go up and then come back down. And that's like the optimal entry for me. Basically do a fake down, a fake up, and then come back down if I'm bearish. As we look, I did trade the PM session. So I had a key level right here. I don't know if you guys use these, but I use the weekly open also. And I use the monthly open, which is the red. Let's see if I should say monthly open here. Oh yeah, right here. So that's October 1st. I think he is. I'm not sure. You still can't see, Given? You think you can't? All right. Oh, I see. Okay. All right. Are the opening prints indicators? Yes. So I use this one. Let me see. If you have premium, I'm sure you have uh, six indicators. I only have some of them. This is, by the way, this is all Dick's chart. The candles, not because I'm an ICT trader, but it's because this is it's from Dick's. So it's this one right here, ICT kill zones and pivot. And the only thing I use from there is this. It's the daily open, the weekly open, and the monthly open. That's all I have. Everything else, I unclicked. I don't really care about it. All right, let's go back. So I was bearish on Monday. I just didn't want to trade it because I knew it was choppy. So I was like, maybe it's gonna do a move down. So basically, I looked for something after 10 Pacific time. This would be like what? Like after 1 o'clock? I think Eastern time? No, that's wrong. Is it? That's right? 1 o'clock? Yeah, yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, so after 10, I usually, if I'm gonna trade the PM session, I trade it after 10. I do not trade from 9 to 10 because it's lunchtime and it's very low volume. Try to stay away from that time. So after 10, I did look for a trade. I wanted this entry right here, but if you would have got this entry, it would have been perfect. But what I was looking for is some shorts underneath this daily open. I had a level around 161. And then my stop loss was somewhere above the weekly open. Because I know if it was gonna hold above the weekly open, then we were probably gonna go up. So basically what I did is got some shorts here. Let's see, I think it was somewhere, let me see, how can I take this up? That way we can see the price action. Let me see here. Okay, good. All right. So I got my entry somewhere in here. Once we came below this, so that was like around 11 o'clock. I think some of us took this trade. My entry was around 160, 134, I think. And my stop loss was around 104 ticks above the weekly open. And I'm also a range trader. So basically I have some levels down on the downside. I really wanted 940, I think it was 942. So this came all the way to 810 ticks. I have some key levels basically that it needs to meet. So like I said, so basically I want it bold or close below. Usually I use the 5 minute time frame. So I look for it to close below the 5 minute um, time frame. So, and like I said, I like it when it goes up and then it comes back down the daily open. We'll see some examples right now. Besides this one's a little bad because it was really choppy that day. But we'll see like all my trades that I took this week that eventually. So all these trades right here, 1, 2, 3, eventually got me paid out. Yeah, so a lot of people got, like, sorry. Yeah. So if it's choppy in the morning, I'm gonna tell you something, and I learned this the hard way. Like 2 weeks ago, it did the same thing. On Monday, there was no news on NQ, and I lost $1,000. And 2 weeks later, the same thing happened. No news on NQ on Monday, and I said I'm not gonna trade it. If I do, it's gonna be in the PM session. Sure enough, this is what you guys traded right here. Yeah, so if you have premium, I think, yeah, you should be able to see his indicator. And yeah, it has other things too. I believe it has, I think the kill zones. See if it shows it. Oh, I don't know. I just use these to be honest. They have like opening ranges, timestamps, uh, and kill zones. Oh, I think I got to turn them on for me to see it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So all right. So let's get back to it. All right. So I had a level down right here at 161. So I waited for it to close beneath there. And not only that, I wanted it to close beneath the daily open for me to get shorts. I had a level of 942. I know it was hopeful right here. So when it came back down, I was really hoping I had my trim at 942, my TP at 942, but I didn't get there. So my other level that I had was 995. So basically, I gave up all this right here. That was on me. So I gave up all this right here because I went in that 942. So I end up TPing at 995 when it came back up. So that was my trade on Monday. So basically, I waited for the PM session because there was no news. Yeah, I don't know, bro. To be honest, you have to wait or I'll give you a one-on-one session, just you and me. In Los Coritos, bro. uh, sorry, bro. All right. All right. So this is my this is on Tuesday. I also have this indicate. The indicator gives you like basically separations of days. So this is Monday. This is Tuesday right here. All right. Okay. So Monday, let me see. I'm looking at my other chart with levels on them. So I'm trying to look where I had a level. All right, 103. So right there. So I had a level at 103. Okay. The open was 103.25. So what I waited is for this candle to come down. This is my perfect setup right here. This is the setup I look for. I wait for the opening price to go down. If I'm bullish, to go down and then come back up and then hold. So this is my, I had a level of 103. The opening price is, as you can see right here, it'll show right here. It's 103.25. So that's perfect. And then I waited for it to hold and enter. And then my target on this one, let me see here, was 252. That's a level that I had, a key level, 252. Obviously, it went much higher than that. It went to 331. But this is what I took. This is my trade right here. So I waited for it to go down, come back up, close, and then I took the trade. Yeah, it's pretty nice. The separator, yeah, it's right here. You can even separate the weeks if you want and the months too. You can just click on these. And I believe you can see the high and the low of the day on, I believe so, which I barely figured out. We could do a one-on-one, Kevin. Man, this guy makes millions and he can't afford good internet. Can you believe that? Oh my goodness. Now you're sounding like Pam with these spectrum issues. All right. So right there. So that's one of the another one. So I risked about 134 ticks to make 596 ticks. So what was that? 1 to 4 ratio. So like Dick says, size accordingly, and you could actually manage this trade pretty good. If you size up heavy and go full port, you might get wrecked. I'm using guest Wi-Fi in my own house. What? Dang. Check your internet, bro. Maybe it's like pretty low. So I use like key levels in order to enter a trade. You can use anything, to be honest. You can use like a fair value gap. You can use a order block. Um, I don't know, supply and demand. You can use different things, a range. You can use different things to use as a key level before you enter a trade. So that's all right, bro. You're an option trader. You don't need this. Do you still trade on Top Step? Yes, I do. I haven't though. I haven't traded this week. I've been trading on Tradify, and I've been trading on FFN, and I did one day of this elite trader funding, the diamond hands. I don't know if you guys know about that. They have a diamond hand account. Basically, allows you to swing trade. I think Slim, thanks recording. I hope you have that 2 gig, or I have 10 gigs fiber. For all those devices. All right. So there you go. So you guys can answer off anything, right? I don't know. Depending on what kind of trader you are, you could be a range trader, um, the ICT trader. So you look for your entries. Uh, and a lot of people use like order blocks or fair value gaps if you're doing ICT. So you can use that too. Here's my other trade. Same thing, almost as this one. So we opened right here at what was this? 282. 282, right? So what happened is, well, we came down, same thing as the other trade. I waited, came back, give me 1 second. Came back down, and then it came back up, it closed. This candle closed right here, 301. This candle closed at 301. Right, this is where I entered. I had a key level at 296. Right here. And you can see that this candle closed above, and then it came back down and touched it, and then we went back up. I had a key level at 377, right? Let me see here. I took this trade with Drizzy. Drizzy, he took these longs too, I believe, but he held much longer than I did. I think, yeah, so this thing, I think, went in all the way to like 470, 482. I'm not sure, man, to be honest with you. I mean, I could check my internet. I don't know if it's me. Okay, sounds good. All right. All right. So let me see what was it. All right. So here's the opening print. Here's my level, 296. So I waited for it to come down, go up, close above the daily open, close above my key level. Then I enter the trade. I usually do like around 150 stop loss, usually. Unless I'm really confident in the trade, then I'll probably like do more. But it just makes sense to me, like around 150 ticks to me. So basically, I took this trade, 295. I took this trade with Drizzy. I remember this. And I took profit at 377. And then you're going to see why at 377 for today. So there's Wednesday. That was my trade. 324 ticks on Wednesday, 596 on Tuesday, and 664 on Monday. Although it could easily got 800, but that's how it goes. All right. So this is today. I did not take the shorts with Big today. So I missed this move right here. I think this is what you guys got, the shorts. So we kept rejecting that 377 level that I had right here. This is where I took profit the previous day, 377 right there. So for today, I waited. I didn't take a trade, and I waited for this to close above the daily open and above my level of 377. Usually with CPI, was it CPI? No. What was today? Was it today CPI? I don't remember. I think it was. So basically, yeah, okay. So I had a range, right, on CPI, and basically I needed very little to get a payout. So I'll show you guys why. So basically, I waited for the shorts come in, go up daily open, close above the daily open, and then close above my level. So there's two things that need to happen. I need to close above my daily open and close above my level for me to enter a trade. If those things don't happen, then I'm not going to do it. So here I took it, 377. That was my entry. This was about 175 ticks. This one I did trim. I'll tell you guys why. So I got longs here, about 175 ticks. So my first trim was a gap fill right here. Then it was like 431, something like that. What's the low of that candle? Or 30.75. So this was my first trim that I do right here. So after it went up, closed above the daily open, closed above my daily level, I took trim right here at the gap fill, 431. You go to Eastern time, this was the CPI range right here. Different color. Okay. So that was the CPI range right here. So I think this is 478. This was my target right here. My TP. But since I only needed a few dollars, man, how'd you get that level, Pam? It was Congos too. So once it closed above the daily open of this, I took profits at 431 for the gap fill. And the rest of it, all I needed was 463, to be honest, right here. That's why I think you guys saw me saying at the trading floor that I wanted 463 because that's all I needed for a payout. So that was 344 ticks. But if I didn't need that much and it was a regular trading day, 478 would have been my trim. Although I had a level at 492, this would have been my ultimate profit right here. 492. So this was my key level. If you guys go back to the trading floor, you'll see some of these levels posted days before, and you see that I wanted this 492. And that was all. After that, after we hit 492, I think we went up to what, 102, and we came back down. Look at this. I could easily short this, but I was already done. I already had requested my payout, and I didn't want to trade anymore. So there it goes. So two things I look for. I want it to go down. If I'm bullish, I want it to go down, then go up, close above the daily open, close above my key level, and then I'll enter a trade. If I'm bearish, I would want it to go up, come down to daily open, close below the daily open, and close below my key level. Then I'll enter a trade. So this is one of the arsenals that I have for trading. And these are really good levels too. The weekly open and the monthly open. You'll see them react to these levels a lot of times. Not only the regular trading hours, but also electronic trading hours. You'll see how it reacts to these levels. Let's see if we can go. I'm gonna delete these markings so it's not confusing. Leave that one. Like for example, right here, we have the monthly open, right? We open on the first, came back to this monthly open. You'll see it react, came back down, right? You see the weekly open right here? It holds, came back up. So it reacts to these levels too. So you can watch both of them. They have different prices, electronic trading hours and regular trading hours. So I use those also to take profit sometimes. And I'll do the whatever's closest to my price range. All right. Oh man, I wanted to be here for 20 minutes. It's almost 50 minutes. All right, so yeah, that's basically it. That's one of the things I'm gonna show you guys on how to use the opening print, not only electronic, but also regular trading hours. I find this very effective. You could back test it. Step, I know you don't trade New York, but you should. For London, to be honest, you can use the previous day. The previous day. Well, look at this. This is regular trading hours, right? Look at right here. Look at this. Reacts to look at this, and then it came back down. Here, unless you enter right here at the right at open, there's no way you would catch this. This one's pretty crazy. It opened at 502 and it just came down. Bro, I'm in school too. I went to school too. It's not worth it, bro. Trust me. It's not. It's not worth it. It's like, what? What are you doing in school, bro? Going to economics as a job or cybersecurity? You'll get paid more trading than cybersecurity. Look at Cuban. He only finished elementary school. Look at him now. I'm just kidding. Nah, nah, Cuban had a good career before this. I don't know if you guys know this, but that's all I'm gonna say. And now he's making bank. I can't tell you, Pam. I cannot tell you. Nah, 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 nah. I ain't gonna tell no stories. For Cuban to tell. Maybe once he goes to Top Step, maybe he'll tell his story. Hey, Cuban, we should start a semiconductor company. No, nah. Story time. Nah, nah, nah. You guys know me. I don't give stuff for free. Yeah, so that's how I use it, man. That's how I do it. You can tap. Let's see, dang, you about to know my. Are we up right now, Cuban? Dang, 76 right now. Oh no, this is regular trading hours. I probably hit my stop loss already. 75.85. Oh yeah, we're still up by a little bit. It's all right. If it breaks even, breaks even. All right, let me let me delete this range right here. This one right here too. All right. And we're gonna go regular trading hours. Dang, just looking at my secrets. Let's have a look. That's what I do, bro. I do semiconductor. I went to school for it, and guess what? I prefer trading. Wow, bro, you missed the whole sauce. No, I haven't, but we actually have customers in Taiwan. And a lot of the guys, engineers that I work with, they've been uh yes they are. And guess who's applying all the stuff for them? We are. I don't know if you got, or the company I work for supplies everything for Nvidia, Tesla, uh Microsoft, uh Texas Instrument, uh NXP, uh Tower, bunch of companies. Anything related with semiconductors, we are it. So I was telling, who was I telling? I think it was telling Freedom. A lot of the guys are in the semiconductor world right now. Dude, they're all like 50-year-olds. Like a lot of the engineers that do semiconductor are 50. Like it's only like me and some other guy that are the youngest ones. So in a couple of years, man, we could charge anything because we pretty much be the only ones that know this stuff. Feel like you're my semiconductor. Yeah, bro. I'm your resistor, bro. Your capacitor. I'm your multimeter. You're my pros to my multimeter. Only few people get that joke. um, here's look at here's CL. I don't know if you see it. And this is how you look. You can see right here today. We came back. I don't know. I didn't trade it today, but we came down, came back up, held above the opening print, and look, we just pumped. We pumped all the way up. If this helps you guys, I better see some W's that your trading changed. And you could your stop loss could have been this low right here, below this, right there, 41 ticks. Boom. I don't know what level. I don't know what level I have, but I would maybe take in some. Oh, right here, look, weekly open. Look at this right here. That would have been my profit right there. Came back down, closed, and I would have taken it to the weekly open right there, 75.52. Easy. Some people have like 15 indicators and they try to make it so complicated. 15, 20 indicators. All you need is few stuff. You know, they don't believe, bro. They don't believe in trading things is a scam. A lot of people do. Man, I was Steps age when I learned about trading. I don't think I would have been to college. Yeah, especially NQ. NQ would teach you a lot by yourself. You'll see how angry you get. Yeah, there's a couple mouses broken. You know, sometimes monitors. Mhm. So yeah, here it is, man. So you guys put this. This is the indicator. If you don't have it, it's on. You can ask me, or you could go to Dix's premium levels and you get it from there. Yeah, he's 16. I think Rap. How old is Rap? I think Rap is 18, 19. And Chip Mitch. I was in Joey at 16. Oh my gosh. You just want to see me at 16? Hold on. I'll show you guys right now. That's me at 16. Part 10, baby. All right, guys. I think I am done with this recording on how to use the daily opening print on regular training hours, and how to use it with the weekly open and the monthly open. You guys have any questions, you guys can hit me up. Or Tank. Tank's my number one student. No problem. For the members that are here, we're gonna have more sauces, I guess we could say, little mini classes as we go on. So if you're subbed, you'll enjoy these. If not, oh well. No, I'm not a good teacher. I suck. I'm a better learner than I'm a teacher. So there you go. Find two key levels. Basically, wait for it to go down, come back up, close above the daily open, close above your key level, and answer. Okay. And you can use this on anything. ES, CL, NQ, gold, platinum, anything you want. Nah, I am not. I think I learn better than I teach, to be honest. Oh, another thing, don't focus on your win rate. Okay. If it doesn't work out, always try another entry. It doesn't matter. Some people go for that perfect entry and perfect win rate. No, don't worry about that. Hank, tell them about our saying about win rates. You got to get on the life of this. Yes, sir. That's right here. I can't say it because my kid's here. Yeah. So you don't want to care about your win rate so much, you know. I used to. I used to worry about my win rate a lot. Uh, I would try to back test and try to get like a. The closest I got to was 83% win rate, and then I was trying to go for a 90%. Yeah, same here. I'm have like a 40% on that 25K, but I re-enter and then I get my trade, and it's okay. What matters? You got to play the game. What matters is your payout rate, not your win rate. That's for sure. So let's see what NQ is doing right now. Eh. Oh, let's go to electronic hours. Daily open. What do you think? What do you think, Tank? Are we gonna go above 492 and close? And go to possibly 530? I have a level of 530. Right there. So or let's see here. 250, 251, 36. All right, let's go to 251. You guys see this? Right here, look it. You see the monthly open right here? The monthly open right here is 234. Right? 234. The regular trading hours, the monthly open is at 252. Right? So if I was looking for shorts tomorrow, let's say the daily open is right here, right? I would wait. Let me see here. Need some arrows. Where are the arrows? I would wait for this to go up like this, and then come back down, and I'll probably take it to this 252. Or actually, I have a level before that at 377. So I just remembered. So I would take it right here, and then my ultimate TP will be this monthly open, 250. Boom. If I was looking for, depending where it opens, right? I'm not sure what NQ is going to do tomorrow, but I will look for something like that. Or if I'm looking for longs in the opening prints right here, I would go like this. Wait for it to come back up, the daily open and maybe a key level that I have. Trade some at 492. Okay, to 530. That's probably what I would look for if I was trading tomorrow, which I am. So we'll see where we open. I am not trading London today. Well, I am. I might shouldn't trade with Cuban. Rin, CL. Let's see. Oh, we're back at break even. You put your stop loss back to towards 3 TPF 0.50. I'm letting it run through the night, only risking 600 to make 4K. Yeah. I don't know if you guys. So, Cuban, yeah. So our stop loss. Let me see. I think it's right here. Right there. And our TP, what did I say? 7749? What's our TP? 7749? I don't remember. Okay. Oh, I posted trade on my tab. Yeah, so right here. So we'll see what happens. I mean, if I guess stop odds, it's okay. I only lost like, I think it's like 290 or something like that. With the potential of making like pretty good amount. Oh yeah, because you got two contracts, right? I only got one. Yeah, so we'll see. Yeah, I'm just scared that it comes to 74.82, right? I expect if it does go here, I do expect the bounce here, but if not, it's most likely it's going to go to the weekly open right here at 74.41. So we'll see how it plays out. If I'm awake, maybe I'll re-enter here if it does come here, but if not, oh well. I'll look for my NQ trade in the morning. Yeah. So we'll see. All right, guys. That's it for today. I'm about to go to sleep. Have a good one. And stay safe tomorrow.